Hi, Nick here, coming to you from MedTech World 2025. Jorgen Souness with St. Vincent De Paul is here with us. Glad to have you.
Thank you. Thanks for the invite. Yes, I think it's a brilliant event, by the way. We have a lot of stands, a lot of innovative projects, innovative ideas, so I'm sure it's going to be.
A chance for St. Vincent de Paul as an institution, as a hospital, to meet the people, to meet the community, and I guess to further advance, to listen, and also to teach what you guys are creating in there. Yeah.
Exactly. St. Vincent de Paul, like I was explaining before, is the largest geriatric facility on our island. It comprises 1,500 patients alongside 2,800 employees working. It have also different facilities, different specialties, like palliative care, psychogeriatric care, and we're even focusing on the outpatients. So it's not just a hospital for the elderly, we just provide also services to the community. And like I was explaining, technology is the way forward to expand our services, like everybody else.
Expanding services. I'm going to talk about, I guess, the elephant in the room of our population, the population bomb. Yes. Um, are we seeing demonstratively with increased demand in your hospital that there's more geriatric patients, aging population? Is this a reality you're seeing come into effect?
Yes, the aging population is growing day by day. Basically, by 2050, we have for every 3 persons there is one beyond the age of 60, and along with the aging population, the increase in demand in the medical field, in the healthcare field, because as you grow older, and it's a study basically, are facts. It's not we are not just inventing these things. Medical problems arise as you grow older. So you need to tackle these problems to try to innovate the healthcare and to try to support the geriatric patients to stay into the community rather than being admitted in long-term care fields. So, and that's basically the $1 million question that we're working on. Like you said, the elephant in the room. We have an elephant in the room. We try to work our way around it, but we need to tackle the elephant now.
Tackle the elephant with the benefits. Talking to the governmental healthcare level, we've managed to bring a digitized system in place, which would be a benefit. But now we're pushing forward towards real-time data that might increase the quality of life of the patient or just the individual, because everyone is they're just an individual, whilst minimizing the use of state resources to another extent, right?
Exactly, and try to maintain the cost balanced as well. Yes, I think technology is the way forward, basically, to support healthcare professionals. It's not to replace them, it's to support them. Why? Because having an extra pair of eyes, to support the healthcare workers to treat patients in a better way is of utmost importance. Considering the lack of HR worldwide, the healthcare field worldwide, it's very difficult to recruit. Why? Because according to studies, there are more jobs that are more interesting, they are saying. So we need to try to attract more healthcare professionals to work in this field. Unfortunately, the shortage of staff, nurses, doctors, healthcare professionals is being seen worldwide.
But this technology can be used to make the job better, to make the life better, the lifestyle,
Exactly.
life balance.
Improving the quality of care.
The
Exactly.
lack of overtime, less overtime hours, etc. To make it, to better for the doctor, better for the nurse, etc.
Exactly. By having technology, like we saw robotics, AI, digital tools, we are going into another era where before we didn't even dreamed about. And the quality of life that we are seeing, even the outcome of the patient benefits, of the health benefits, is massive. So we need to invest in that area for obvious reason, to improve the quality we are providing and to lessen the burden from our healthcare professionals, basically.
These are great goals, but goals that you work on and are accomplishing every day. Jorgen, thank you for representing SVP.
Thank you. Thanks.
Nicholas signing off from MedTech World.